Since 2017, Stacy Weiner and her husband Bob have been actively trying to make this world a better place by crocheting and donating soap sacks with soap in them. The need for this basic hygiene product is enormously high and exceedingly unexpected. Something that you and I take for granted, such as body wash, body soap, is constantly in need at food pantries, homeless shelters, churches, college food pantries, and other locations around the world. This is an issue that is worldwide. I mean, everybody needs soap, right? When this charity got on my radar, I was super excited. I fell in love with the whole idea. I really wanted to help the S.A.C Foundation and bring awareness that this is even an issue. The project is a fast and easy, super simple crochet soap bag. You could knit it, crochet it, sew it, loom it, however you want to make this soap bag, as long as it is made with 100% cotton or a cotton blend yarn and has a loop on it or a drawstring, so that way you can hang the soap sack up and it doesn't touch the floor. That's all they need and they are happy. They're good to go. For the entire month of April, I am joining Stacy and the S.A.C Foundation in making as many soap sacks as we possibly can. I have 2 soap sack tutorials on my YouTube channel that you can refer to if you would like, or really feel free to check out patterns that are on YouTube, Pinterest. They even have some patterns on the soap sack website itself, soapsacks.com, that you can check out and give a try. When it comes to actually donating these soap sacks, you have a couple different options. Feel free to donate your soap sacks to the S.A.C Foundation in New Jersey. You do not have to include any bars of soap if you are shipping them directly to the S.A.C Foundation, because they receive so many donations of bars of soap. They really got it covered. However, if you are going to donate your soap sack locally to a local food bank, a local homeless shelter or church, they are asking that you please include an unopened box or bar of soap with your soap sack when you donate. If you are looking for local areas to donate to, go to the website soapsacks.com. Under the FAQ facts questions section of that website, they do have a spot where they list a couple different websites that you can refer to. Foodpantry.org is one of them. HomelessShelterDirectory.org is another, and a couple different options that I'll even include in the description section below this video for you for quick access to this information. Also, I would like to keep track of our donations so we know how many soap sacks we actually donated together in this whole campaign. I'm going to be creating a Google form where all you have to do is input how many soap sacks that you donated and where, so that way I can keep track of how many soap sacks were actually donated throughout the month of April. And Stacy at the S.A.C Foundation will also be counting every donation that comes into them, is shipped into them, as long as you place on the shipment somewhere that this is dedicated to Tiffany's campaign. She is alerted that those soap sack numbers are counting towards our campaign. And then in the month of May, we will go back and count all of the soap sacks that were actually donated and have a fabulous number to share with everybody and see what we were able to accomplish. My goal is to create 5,000 soap sacks for all of us, for everyone on my YouTube channel or joining this campaign, that we're able to come up with 5,000 soap sacks by the end of April. That's my goal. So let's give it a try and see what we're capable of, guys. For more information on this campaign and about the soap sacks themselves, definitely check out the website soapsacks.com for all other information, or feel free to comment in the comment section below this video and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you can help. Let's do this together. And on your way to making things, feel free to tag both Stacy and I in any social media posts. The @CrochetWithTiffany to tag me, and @SoapSacks to tag Stacy and the S.A.C Foundation.